Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be making a very quick, easy, simple, tasty, delicious, healthy and succulent chicken, potatoes and vegetables recipe. This is super easy to put together. It tasted so delicious and I'm very sure you and your family are going to love and enjoy this recipe. So let's get started. Over here I've got some chicken thighs, and as you can see here I've cut some lines across the chicken. This is so that the ingredients I'm going to be adding to this will be able to penetrate evenly. So to that I'll be adding a tablespoon of paprika powder, half a tablespoon of curry powder, half a tablespoon of dry rosemary, 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, one tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt. Now in this plate I've got some garlic. As you can see here, I've cut the garlic into two. I've got some white onion, fresh thyme and some slice of fresh ginger. So I'll be adding all those in the chicken, and make sure your hands are very clean before you start mixing this. Now we are going to mix everything until they are well combined. And oh, I almost forgot, you are supposed to add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. You can use olive oil or basically use any oil of your choice. Now in this chicken, feel free to add any spice of your choice. Just make it as tasty as how you want it to be, okay? So now after mixing everything, you're just going to cover it with a plastic film or a nylon bag and let this marinate for at least 1 hour, or you can even leave it for some hours, because the more it stays, the tastier it gets. So while the chicken was marinating, I went ahead to wash, peel and cut my other vegetables and my potatoes. I've got some green long peas, some carrots, some celery stalk and some potatoes. Just feel free to use any type of vegetable you want and use any amount of chicken and potatoes you want as well. So after about 1 hour, this is what my chicken looks like. Now I'm going to transfer the chicken into a baking pan. Now to that remaining stock, I'm going to be adding all the potatoes and the vegetables, and I'm going to toss it in to make sure it is evenly coated. Alright, I think the oil is not enough for me, so I went ahead and added a little bit of oil, added some salt and some black pepper. Now mix everything together until they are well combined. After mixing that, you're going to transfer everything into the baking pan. Make sure you place them evenly. Now before I started mixing all this together, I've already gone ahead to preheat my oven. So after everything, I'm just going to put this in my oven and let it bake for 30 minutes. Now halfway through, you are going to turn it around like what you will see here now. Like after about 15 minutes, just turn it around so that everything can cook evenly, and let it bake or roast for another 15 minutes. In total, I baked mine for 30 minutes. exactly 30 minutes. And as you can see here, I'm checking on it to see if it's cooked, and it is perfectly cooked, just exactly 30 minutes. And this is what my roasted chicken, potatoes and vegetables look like. So I'm just going to drizzle some of that stock on top, and it's looking so delicious, as you can see already. Oh my goodness, you guys really need to try this recipe. So I just want to take this moment to show you what the potatoes and the chicken look like. It looks so tender, so succulent and so juicy, as you can see. You need to try this, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.
If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.